Procore starts at a custom enterprise price while Fieldwire's paid plans start at a lower entry point and even include a free tier. That price gap is usually the first thing contractors notice, but it's not the real difference. By the end of this, you'll know which one makes more sense for your business based on team size, project complexity, and how much admin work you're trying to cut down. If you need the short answer, Fieldwire is usually better for smaller crews that need simple task management. Procore is built for bigger construction companies managing multiple moving parts. Start with Fieldwire. Fieldwire is basically built for job site coordination. Think punch lists, task tracking, plan viewing, and progress updates. If you're a subcontractor, site supervisor, or running smaller residential projects, it's fast to set up. You upload plans, assign tasks, pin issues directly on blueprints, and track completion. That's the core workflow. The big advantage is speed. A new foreman can usually understand Fieldwire in one day because the app feels like a construction-specific to-do list. The downside is depth. Fieldwire handles field operations well, but once you get into RFIs, submittals, budgeting, and serious document control, it starts feeling limited. That's where Procore takes over. Procore is more like an entire construction operating system. It handles project management, financials, bidding, RFIs, change orders, submittals, and reporting all in one place. If you're running commercial builds, multi-million-dollar projects, or managing several teams at once, this matters. Instead of using 5 different tools, Procore centralizes everything. That's the biggest reason larger GCs use it. But there's a trade-off. Setup takes longer. Training takes longer. And if your team isn't disciplined with process, Procore can feel heavy. Here's the practical breakdown. Pick Fieldwire if your biggest problem is keeping crews aligned on site. Pick Procore if your biggest problem is managing the entire business behind the project. A small roofing company probably gets more value from Fieldwire. A commercial builder managing 20 active projects probably needs Procore. So the 3 things to remember. Fieldwire is simpler, cheaper, and faster to adopt. Procore is deeper, broader, and better for scaling. And the right choice depends on whether you need field coordination or full project control. The next step is simple. Map your current workflow and count how many tools you're already using. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe.